Hi boys and girls, I am Miss Moran and welcome back to your math lesson. Today we're going to continue learning about sorting. Remember, sorting is when we put things into groups. And when we sort, we use an object's attribute. And remember, attribute means how it looks. And we could sort by type, by color, by size, or by shape. Today we're going to be sorting by shape. And I found a little YouTube video I would like to share with you about sorting shapes. So give me a minute and I'll show you that real quick.
Sort by shape. Look at the shape on this refrigerator door. Now, look at these shapes. Are any of these shapes the same as this shape? This shape is the same. This shape is the same. The shapes in this group are alike. Look at the shape on the other refrigerator door. Are any of these shapes the same as this shape? This shape is the same. This shape is the same. The shapes in this group are alike. Look at this group of shapes. We can sort these shapes by putting a box around the shapes that belong in the bag. Look at the shape on the bag. It has 4 sides. 2 sides are short and 2 sides are long. Is this shape the same as the shape on the bag? It has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Imagine what would happen if we stood this shape on one of its short sides. Look, it is the same as the shape on the bag. We will put a box around it. This shape is also the same. This shape is different. It does not belong in the bag. This shape is different. This shape is the same. This shape is different. This shape is the same. Now we have sorted the shapes. The shapes with the box around them belong in the bag.
Okay, so that was the video that I was telling you about sorting shapes, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So I wanted to talk about your homework and try to explain it. So let me show it to you, okay? So today, like I mentioned, you'll be sorting by shape. And here are the boxes where the shapes will go. So here you will put all the triangles. And you'll put all the squares here and all the circles over here. The color is not what I'm looking for right now. I am looking for the shape. Okay? So for example, where should I put this one? With the triangles, square, or circle? It should go with the triangle, so we'll move it up here. This one with the squares, right? So we'll move it out up here. And that's how you're going to do this homework. Now, please pay attention to the shape because there's a tricky one. So you're going to do it like the video. If there's a shape that doesn't belong here, or doesn't belong here, or doesn't belong here, you're not going to put it, right? Because you remember in the picture, they didn't use all of the shapes because some of them did not match what they were looking for. So you're going to do the same. If they don't match what you're sorting for, you're going to leave it alone, okay? So now let's review what we learned today. So today we reviewed what sorting means, putting things into groups, and using their attribute. The attribute that we used today was shapes. So we looked at the shapes and we put them into groups. If we saw any shape that did not belong in any of the groups, we didn't move them, we just left them there, right? And sorting is important because it helps us to look at objects, to look at their attributes and decide if they are alike, do they look the same, or if they are different, they don't look the same, right? So that was the lesson for today, and I will see you tomorrow when we will continue learning more about sorting. Bye-bye.